Does the Axure Guitar MIDI library do hammer-ons and pull-offs? Yes. Here's the riff I'm going to add hammer-ons to. I want to add them here and here. So hammer-ons are going up. So any note that you see here, that's going to be a hammer-on. All you need to do is add the tapping key switch to where you want the note to hammer on to. But you have to add a sustain on the initial note because you are picking this note and you're hammering on to this note. I'm going to add it over here as well. I have my sustain downstroke hitting this note, and we're going to be hammering on to this note. Here's the riff I want to add pull-offs to. So same thing, I'm picking this note and I'm pulling off to this note. And all I need is the tapping key switch. I'm going to add it to all the notes that I want it to pull off to. Now, if you want to add realism to your pull-offs, make sure that you go into your envelope filter of your DAW and do some pitch bending. Because when you pull, you got to think you're bending the string. All right, time to hammer on and pull off. Anyways, if you don't have the Axure Guitar MIDI library, you can get it for $10 off using my affiliate code, BADAN24.